CTS directly connects with other services on Huawei Cloud and records operations performed on cloud resources in real time. When operations such as addition, deletion, and modification are performed on the services connected with CTS, such as Elastic Cloud Server X, the services will record the operations in specified formats and send the records to CTS. Operation records in the last 7 days are displayed on the CTS console. If log transfer to OBS has been enabled, operation records are periodically delivered to the OBS bucket that you have specified for long-term storage. You can query operation records of the last 7 days on the trace list page by time and other filters. To query operation records earlier than 7 days, you can download the trace files stored in OBS buckets if log transfer to OBS has been configured. Next, we will show you how to query traces on the CTS console. First, log into the Management console. Expand the service list. Choose Management and Governance, and then Cloud Trace Service. The trace list page of CTS is displayed. Then specify the search criteria for querying traces. You can select search criteria from the drop-down list. If you select Resource ID for search by, specify a resource ID. You can also select a user from the operator drop-down list and filter traces by trace status. Here, normal indicates that the operation was successful. Warning indicates that the operation failed. Incident indicates that the operation caused a serious consequence. For example, a node fault or service interruption. Let's say you want to query traces of all users in the last week. Set the trace status to all trace statuses, search by to all filters, and the time to last 1 week, and click Query.